Good day to all my friends, subscribers and viewers. We have another listing guys. This is 15 hectares pero 3 ka hektarya ang ibaligya nila, because the 2 hectares will be given to the people who are occupying to the property. They have already have an agreement with the barangay that they will relocate in one place. So mobalhin ra sila og laing more same property in one title, then relocated to the other portion. So the boundary is there, no, to the coconut tree beside of this one. Start of the property is here. Then muliko dito gamay. Then here na pod this is really along barangay road, approximately 900 meters from highway, national highway, concrete road. Slightly sloping downhill siya guys. Straight from the coconut tree here. So meaning this one kaimito or star apple is included. Coconut included. Going straight, no? So here, no? So mari lang ta dire. We'll go down lang na. This is sloping guys, but you know the soil is really good. According to the people around, it is good for the kuan. According to the owner, it is good for loya farming. What is that in English? I think it's ginger man siguro ni loya. Correct me if I'm wrong, basta murag this is good for loya or bakahan. Pwede siya sa bakahan guys. You can see, no, nindot kaya siya og view, no. Then flat terrain dito sa ubos. Then they are 7 houses, no, who are occupying on the property, but the owner will relocate them in one place somewhere there. So proceed lang tagamay din eh. So nindot kayo, no, sinipatag bandere a little bit, no. And there is acacia guys, acacia. But there are many trees good for if you are going to build a house. Why problema? There are many trees. Mahogany. So dire ta mag-istorya tiwas. We have already other videos ba. Daghanam tag video pud nakuha dire. I can attach no, then discuss more. Then the boundary of this property is river, small river or creek. But the owner will just sell the portion of 13 hectares because the people who are the tenant, their parents are the tenant before, requested that they will retain the rice field. So ibilin ang rice field mo na nga ikuan lang kuno hangyo sila, but according to rin kung imo gyud ning palitan tanan, if you buy this whole lot, they're the one to give you the income kay nag-tenant man sila. But again atong balikon pag-usab nga sila, the tenant and the owner have already an agreement to the barangay that these houses 1, 2, 3, there are 2, there is another there, will be relocated to that one house over there, no? Ato nakita dito. So i-transfer sila, nagkasabot na sila guys, na sila gikasabutan. You know, this is located in Barangay Bicao, Carmen, Bohol. Cool place, Bugnaw. Then this is really good for farming, or you can put some improvements like pwede ni ma-hotel guys, because it is not far from the town proper. Chocolate Hills, you can convert this into a mountain resort or ecotourism. Nindot ni siya kay nagruling terrain man. There are portions of rice field are included, na mga rice field pod nga naasakop. Then as I have mentioned, there is one cotton tree which is the duldul. So mo na to apil tong duldul, no? Akong i-attach lang about the duldul, no, later, no. Then this is good, really good. Then there are around 40 to 50 coconut trees, 40 nga to 50 ka lubi. So more na siya guys. So regarding the water, no problem, no, kay daghan mga tubig dire. There are so many, no, water underneath. Kalot ra ka dire, walay problema mag tubig. So nindot kay ni og nga opportunity from Tagbilaran City, 1 hour drive from Tagbilaran City or lesser pagani. So depende guys, depende. Nindot na kay ni. Pero naa lang ko i-istorya gyud last, no. Regarding the title, kuan guys, kanang certified true copy pa ilang ma-provide. Then they have also kanang buhisonon to, there are taxes to be paid, which is arrears kanang wa mabuhisin nila, which is around more or less mga 200,000. Then ang title was lost, pero they have already consulted to a lawyer, mga dali ra gyud. So according to them, bisag mo advance na sila mga around 2 million pesos to clean the kuan, all the problems or all the kanang gitawag og obligasyon ba. Limpyo na gid ang titulo. So ato ay prangka lang gid nato. I know there are some agents selling this property which is very very expensive, no. Again, the price is just only 60 pesos per square meter net. Limpyo na lang sad, no. 60 pesos ra gyud. Dili na, wala na. Ako unta ning 65 pero gusto nila 60 na lang gyud kuno, ha. Basta wala na lay ingon nga prangka na lang ta, wala na tidaghan istorya nga atong pakapin-kapin pa. So maura ni. So nindot ruling, maghimo ka diri mga kubo-kubo for your visitors, like a small native house, mani paabangan diri. Nindot kay ang location guys. You can see the mountain views, oh. Then there are 3 signatories, tulo ang mopirma. So the road is there, no. Why problema? Okay, I will attach more videos. Then you for inquiries just contact me, and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We have more properties for sale at www.propertyph.net. Then we will process transfer of title. Since this is 13 hectares, no, 13 man ka hektarya, nya tulo man sad. I have consulted to the DAR office, no. Tulo man sad ang nagpirma, so every person has a 5 hectares land holding. So tulo man pud ang nagbaligya, tulo ka signatory, okay ra. Dapat ang mupalit pud ani guys, tulo sad. Kay lima man, so napo nadaan, so nay tulo. So 3 persons, so pananglitan husband and wife o saraman na nya, you have 2 children, pwede tulo na. So pwede sad mga igsoon, depende ninyo sa palahon na kay mama ni balaod na to. So regarding the foreigners, no, nga you want to buy kay malagi na minyo mo sa inyong Pilipina nga wife, so don't worry kay when the title is, when we have a deed of sale, your name is will appear on the deed of sale, and title also, in the title also it will appear also. So makita gyapon sa titulo ang inyong pangan. Then there are many ways, no, kay labi nag hadlok na mo, you are afraid that you are not going to kanang own. No, it's not, because I have experienced one client, no, they have the divorce, but then now they have an agreement that if ever the property will be sold, the court allow him, or to the foreigner, to split the profit. So but we're not praying for that, no. So even though you are foreigners, you have still the right, since you have a wife, Filipina or partners. Okay, again regarding this, kay dako magini nga property, it's okay ra, way problema. Just contact me and site inspection schedule lang ta, set a schedule for a site inspection. Okay, I will attach more videos. Okay, let's continue to our video, no. The property is from the road, from the barangay road, slightly going downhill. So palugsong siya guys, sloping. So it's sloping, nag-sloping ni siya, going down, no. Siya ang iyang sitwasyon guys. That is the situation. Then I continue walking down. So here you can see the overlooking view of the mountains. Mountain view na dire guys. So actually it's really a little bit cold because the weather is good, no. So good for farming and ecotourism. So as they said, this is good for ginger farming. So vegetable, ang the idea in this Carmen Bohol guys, usually kanang luy agyod ang ilahang ipananom kasagaran diri, mo ni kusog diri, luy agyod. So meaning it is good for ginger farming, and also they are also good for the pineapple farming. Man na notice nako sa kuan guys, sa Carmen. So very nice gyud ang iyang location, is rolling terrain. So mo nay situation. Yo. So at the road, no, there are houses, no, na may mga balay. So here at the lower portion, wala na kayo balay. Although this house, this household here was already advised to transfer to the other portion of this lot because they have already an agreement. So na sila gikasabutan. So aside from that, you can plant another cassava, potato. It's really good here, no. Nindot sa ni siya gyud. So vegetable farming and many more, no. Then you can also have like a piggery. Pwede sad ka magpiggery diri guys. So that's the the rice field beside to the river is not included because the
son and daughters of the previous tenant requesting that not to include around 1 hectare plus,
Makapalit ko
almost
mo
around
drone.
2 hectares.
Ako ni balik.
But still they are
Guys,
continuing to give the
Ako ni drone
sharing,
balik.
the share
Total mo
of
ko di
the-
ako rin pare diri.
So you can contact
Parang
me at
ako
this
ni.
number, no? Viber or WhatsApp or Messenger ninyo humawas 14. Then email me katorzan@yahoo.com. So there's another house here, no? It will be also relocated. So as you can see that house, no, below. So it will be
Hay. Asa?
also relocated. According to the owner, guys, they have gone to the barangay twice. Kaduha sila nito sa barangay para pagsabot laan ni mga tawhana.
Sige lang. Okay.
So para
Ako lagi apa sa gintag mo bayaran
Kuan lang.
lang ko na.
to communicate these people who are living in
Palit
this
ko tong habog-habog ba.
property,
Ay
in their property, to agree,
Malagi
no?
no.
Because
So appeal pa ni.
they are selling their property. Ilang gibaligyan ni dili siya gusto nga naay makababag or naay makabother sa mga buyers. So na before nila gibaligya ila sang gisabot as we go along, no, walking downhill, we notice that there are already some flat terrain portions. So nagka-flatten na diri, guys, medyo na flat na diri nga side, orag na okay na nya, wala na sa isaba, no noise, because the noise area, the
Patag na diri
daghang saba ito ara magid sa kalsada at the above naman, we are at the lower portion of the property naman. So this banana trees will also included.
May
So,
tamnag
dindot
saging
today.
ug mayon taw.
So again, the location is
Murag tulo ka balay no.
Bicao, Carmen
Murag tulo ka
Bohol,
balay.
1 hour drive from Tagbilaran City ra gyud ni, guys, honestly, or
Awa.
lesser pa gani, basta mayo lang kamo padagan. So here you can notice that it is already
Pero appeal gyud ni.
flat terrain, medyo flat na dere, nagruling gamay, and that portion, no, atong gitudlo still part of the property. Wala siya, guys, no. Then we notice some rice field sad, no. It's really good property. Malagi to, we
Ato
are
kay bay dito, dito
informed by
kay
the
duha.
owner that their title was lost.
Appeal ba to?
O nawala. And they have already contacted a lawyer and
Kini
advised
ra
them
mabihang
that I
bigingon?
think for their
Kagamay ra
issuance
po
of
sa
title,
15
they need to
hectares.
have a hearing, no?
Di ko
Ila
to.
sa murag ikaso ba? I-hearing sa nila to court.
Kato
Then
di ayo
court
sa
hearing.
sapa naman siguro na.
Basta dali ra ko, no.
15 hectares
That is
dito.
the advice of the
Wa pa
lawyer.
magani
Dali ra
katunga.
dito, mga mulusot. But when I saw the title, I
Apay
advised
balay
them
ito,
because there was encumbrance of mortgage. So I told them to verify
Gwapo
first
ginawa niya.
at the bank,
Kay dili siya bantang
because
sa
it is
bagyo ba.
mortgaged by a bank,
Mura siya na slope dili.
hoping that the
Pero
title was
nindot
there.
gyapon nasudla, okay ra gyapon ang hangin.
So
Makuan ra gyapon.
they said they will go to the bank maybe next week.
Saan di- basakan man di ay.
Friday naman. So 7 houses
Mhm.
to be relocated.
To pa dito.
Actually ang marilocate
Kuan ka balay
nila
din
is
ako nakita
mga
diri mga
naragage mga 5
3.
houses kay
duha dito.
katong
Duha
kini akong
diri.
gitudlo, there is
Di mawagtang
is
sa
already a
mga-
house na tapokon sila dito.
Pero ato lay final basig wa
So
na
they
nilabot
will
ba.
be placed in one portion of the land given by the owner.
Gwapo ra bagbasak ko.
Taga na sila. So again, this is the rice field, guys. So hindot sa cute ang terrain sa property man.
Oh.
Honestly lang, no. Kuan
Oh, maghimo ka impounding. May
Wala
sakto,
siya,
no?
secluded
South oh.
because the location
Gwapo
is
kay bakahan gyud diri oh.
from the road, then slightly going downhill. regarding the water system, no,
Kukuha tanaw sa basag
when
oh.
you dig a well here,
Kwapo sad kayo ihang
has
kuan sad.
really a water, no, nagi
Nahapi ra ba?
tubig, no.
Ay, og
Anak na guys, mura man sa
happy kay
gako.
na og nabantang ka kuan.
Nagyoy tubig. There is water if you dig a well or by drilling, no. Anak na gina.
So
So,
flat
there
na
are
diri
decrease
dapita o rolling
of
gapon
trees, no?
pero murag nindot ba kay gakuan.
And this portion, no, is really
Kapo kayo, eh.
good to put some developments like if you convert this into a mountain resort, guys, you can also put some, for example, swimming pool at this
Pretty
portion.
po.
Kay nindot man kay siya og location. So nindot kay ambience ba kanang basta nindot yun ang iyang location, guys. Actually from the national highway it's 9 no 900 meters away lang. Rough road nang 900
Jay,
meters.
duldul.
Ako nagisukod.
Tinuod ba guning og nay mabuang ari higo sa doldol armolian. Dako ara ba oh? Pare gamong punda ba? Sorry, wala pa tay drone.
The one tree na the
Mga
one
kabaw oh.
tree, no, kanang they say duldul or
Mag-video lang ko hindi ha.
cotton tree. It's like a joke, but that is the usual, no. Some other native, that a person who was in not in kuan, wala medyo nawala sa iyang kagalingon, di can be kanang kuan basta ibutang nimo sa duldul or ihigot nimo dito. So mao na guys, no, but it's not really kanang kuan advisable, just only a kuan guys. So this is still part of the property. So as you can
Carabao.
see here there are plantains. Then I'm very curious, where is the boundary of the property? See, still big part of the property here, no? So that is why I continue walking, going downhill. Still padayon gapon ni siya guys, paingon sa kuan. So vegetable farming is good, no? Goat farming, pwede sa ni goat farming. O kanang ingog bakahan or cattle farming is good also in this area. So ano guys, no, as I continue walking guys, okay, ato maginitan where is the, although not exact boundaries, but we can still so 60 pesos per square meter. Actually guys, the 60 pesos per square meter is very cheap na ni nga price guys, no, barato ra gina kayo. Although I have said nga napilay nagbaligya na, but the owner got angry because diesel times 2 again, diesel times 2. Some agents are selling times 2 of their price. So mauna guys nga they are get angry, no, with the situation nga why they sell like that, na they are not part owner of the property. So mauna, no, that is why they are happy nga we know that property, then introducing that we are helping, no, first come first serve the pot kay di man tanan guys nga amo gyud pud tanan buyers. Possible man sad nga doon na say mga ahente na buyer, local agents, no, but under the law those unlicensed are not allowed to sell properties in the Philippines. So they are illegal, but still they are trying.
Oh.
We called it
Ha?
colorum agents, but
Apil ni.
you know the government cannot monitor them.
Lain putong basak sa babaw no.
Okay, let's continue guys. So this is the bottom, no? The bottom or kinatumyan sa property. So as you can see, there are rice field already, you know. And again, this part of rice field is not for sale. So but it is part of the
Sapa diri, ha?
It's part of 15
Kanan ko,
hectares. But
Gusto ko
again,
mo
we
tanawan
say
ng
that
sapa,
only
unsa ng sapa,
13 hectares is
Oo.
for sale. Because
Unsa
this
gid
rice
siya?
field, dili man ang kunon sa mga tenant guys. But
Oh,
sila ra
sapa
gyud
gyud.
gyapon kuno ang magtrabaho din.
Asan ta aga ni?
Muhatag lang sila og bahin. So meaning the tenants are not claiming that there's this properties, this rice field is they are the owner, no? But
More than sa hektarya ay mga duha pod ni
Still,
siguro kapin.
they are the one
Oh, kay dako
who
ba oh.
work or
Plan
plant
ano sa hektarya
this
dili eh.
rice field, and they will just give share of the income of the rice field, or mahatag ra sila pilay bahin. So mao man na 15 sacks of rice daw ang gihatag.
Atong solito na lang kung
As
unsay
for me,
naad,
it's not
unsay kuan ang yuta kay
fair po sa owner.
Wala sigurado na tanga.
Pan po, no, kay upan ng litan po
Tanaw,
dahil
yeah.
limpyo na po.
Ha?
So sa ila po tanon, possible okay
Layo.
po na.
subay.
So what I mean limpyo, meaning net.
Kaman ato tas tagiya.
So it depends upon the ano. But if you buy the whole 15 hectares, then retain the portions of where their house located, I think you can also manage this.
Uy.
And then
Ikaw mo gyanan dito naman siguro.
make a new agreement. So depende man na guys, because you can be an owner in the future. So
Oh, lili na gud.
na tumba na ko anak guys, pero okay lang, it's part of the
Mura
job.
gamay ra.
Kay dangog man yun, it's really very
Pero mayo matan-aw gud. Grabe, tabi.
sa dangog, then I sleep, no? Oto.
Kasi niyagyanan ang speakers.
So dili siya dako as we get into the beside
Oo,
the
gwapo man.
river. I noticed that
Oo.
the river is not really big. It's like a creek. Creek only.
Ana magdaginot ka sa
Gamay
buno
ra.
nimo sa? Magdaginot ka sa mo buno.
So it's really small portions, no? What you mean?
Oh.
It's like a canal or creek ra gyud siya, not big
Hmm.
river.
Hmm.
So at least
Pero
guys,
ang mga kohol,
I almost
ang mga kohol ba?
I almost say in everything of the property, almost the boundary pero di jud tanan kay wa may lain ang kagayad
Mga estimate nimo sa hektarya pili gastohon.
so muna siya guys, no? Although the owner was there, but
Ha?
he just only up there
O diyan na diay.
kuan barangay road, no? He just advised, no?
Ha?
Na mao na system.
Lamig isa pa? Nga nang mga makayong lamig.
That is the property.
Gamay ra.
So here we go, the boundary line, which is the river or the creek. So dili gid kayo dako.
May sad kay murag habog niya. Gamay ra din sa pa gid ba?
Dili gid kayo sa dako.
Gamay ra ang sapa.
Gamay ra gid. See, but it's good already now.
Dili kayo hab. Ah?
So on the other side is like is different already.
Oh.
Lahi na sa nay owner na.
Ay. So maora gid yung tanan.
Actually, this location is really good, not far from Tagbilaran City. So mo niya yung river guys, no? So as we go back, no, to the kanang to the road, no? So agi gid ni ani, no? Si. Medyo lisod yun, no? Ani gining magkuan, although may ni is kuan na yun, nagnam na yun. Puy-puy na yun kay during my accident, no? I have an operation.
Ayo kita
9
matempo
years
na muna
broken.
jadi barat
So,
oh.
but I still manage, although sakit-sakit na yun. Ako lang ginagwanta guys kay saon ka man, no?
O sa play do ani sa
Mao na magyud.
lagi ani brad.
Makita man nimo akong paglakaw nga murag magsaguyod na ko usahay ba. So akong i-cut off.
So this is the property. This is a total of 15 hectares. So it's a big property for sale. Then we have also a cotton tree, which is we called in Bisayan doldol. So kining doldol guys, dil ang tao, we're not sure gyud pero may kasagaran istorya nga kung pananglitan ay mabuang ihigot sa doldol aron maulian. So that is sana paghubad ninyo sa Bisayan term, if a person will become insane mabuang, not in good mind o sa term ana
Sira ulo.
sira ulo sa Tagalog. Oh, you will just bring the man or the person and kanang higot dire
Tali, itali.
tali. So ilang itali dire guys, higot dire nya maulian. So that is one of the usage. This is really very useful. Then the other, the fruits of this kuan kanang doldol is cotton. So pwede gamon nimong gitawag ng punda. So in short, this is a cotton tree. Nindot niya, cotton tree. Part of 15 hectares. Okay, thank you.
Kita na punin dul-dul, mo na forma dul-dul.
Kuko din niya. Kuko. Ano lang.
So again guys, no, I am emphasizing the cotton to or doldol, no, pero dili ko pud ingon nga tinuod yun, but that is usual kanang mga istorya ba.
Bakahan na lang yun.
So as you can see, there are cows of the kuan ano na guys kanang nagpuyo dia. So this is really good for cows, no, mga cattle. So whatever you do, no, pwede gyud kayo magamit yun na siya. So mga kuning gikuan kay mao man to nga part sa property nga adto sila itapok. So they will be placed on that kanang gi-zoom nako. So this is the above portion, ano, so we go back to the barangay road. Okay, thank you and God bless.